So let me highlight 3 examples of how multi-search can power search and discovery beyond the search bar. Our first release of multi-search focused on enhancing the visual search experience. So to show you this, I'm going to use one of the promoted products from the gallery here to show you how we've enhanced visual search with multi-search. Now, typically, when browsing search results, whether it's visual or text search generated, you're generally limited to 2 options. You can either click on the PDP for a product that you might like. If you don't see anything you like, you tend to have to go back and start a new search. And those limitations can lead to higher bounce rates. And multi-search allowed us to bring 2 key refinements to our visual search experience. The first one is we were able to add what we call find similar, this icon here, onto every search result. And the idea here is to help you as a shopper who sees a product in a set of results that might catch their eye but isn't quite what they're looking for. And by clicking this icon, what you're able to do is trigger a search that then generates related results to that product that caught your eye. So in this instance, you can see the results here are very relevant, very closely matched to the original dress that I clicked on. And that is, similar strap line, similar color, similar pattern, just, slightly different styles. If I look at the other results here, again, we got some color variations and then, different degrees of relevancy to that search. So that's the first refinement. The second refinement is I'm able to bring in text or suggested attributes to further refine the product results that I see here. So again, I can go through to one of these, click on the PDP, or maybe I'm looking for something shorter. If that's the case, looking for something with a shorter hemline, all I need to do here is type in shorter in the text box, text search bar here, and now I've got a further refined set of results. Now, we're able to provide these enhancements because we're now conducting a multimodal search that has a high relevancy of image search with the accuracy of product data search to deliver better search results. So that's how we've made image search better, but that relies on the shopper uploading the image in the first instance. But as you know, every retailer has hundreds, thousands, maybe tens of thousands of product images across their site, but they're typically not searchable. They're there to support browse behaviors. So the second experience I'm going to show you is using the images on retail sites as searchable assets, whether they're on the PLP, search results page, or PDP. Let me show you what I mean. So on this page here, this category page, some promoted products under our favorites. I like this white dress, and if I tap this search icon here, I'm able to open up a new search window that uses the retail image, the product that the retailer has promoted on their website, the image of that as a search query, and I'm able to refine that in a way that suits me. So in this instance, I like the dress, love the style. I'd really love to see it in pink. So all I need to do here is by opening the search window, I'm searching for this dress, but I'm searching for a pink variation to it. And as you can see, very quickly, I'm presented with 6 options, 3 shades of pink, all very similar styles to the dress on that promoted product page. So I really like this Renita midi dress. I might buy it. Before I do, I might just go and see whether I can find a suitable summer hat that might go along with it. So again, open up a refined search against that pink midi dress, search for summer hat, and now I've got the results I need. Okay, so it's another practical example of search outside the box where using multimodality search, you can make every one of your retail product images searchable and help customers find the right product for them faster. The third example I'm going to show you is one I'm very excited about. When it comes to PDPs, and despite personalization, most retailers load multiple recommendation carousels to cater for the range of customer preferences for the different selection of products they might want to see. At best, they often compete against each other. At worst, they may not be relevant to the customer and often go ignored. Well, multi-search allows us to present a better way of providing in-page recommendations whereby each shopper can personalize their own. So I'm going to bring it back up to the top of the page here. And just below the product details here, we have what we call recommend me. And this is a small, it's a widget that takes up a very small section of the page, so it can be positioned higher up. And with this, each shopper can easily choose the type of recommendations that they're looking for. So here we have a blue bomber jacket, but I love the outfit the model is wearing. You know what? I'm interested in a jacket, but I'd also like to see some jeans that I can pair that with. So now what I've done by typing in recommend me some jeans, these jeans, I'm presented with my own personalized recommendation carousel where 6 options of those jeans are presented to me. So great way to personalize the recommendations for me. That might not have been a recommendation carousel that's on the PDP, so my journey would have been very different. But with recommend me, I'm able to write my own journey. And that's the beauty of this. So like the whole outfit, I've now got the jacket, I've got the jeans, the t-shirt I'm interested in, not quite sure on a white crew neck. I tend to prefer v-necks. Let me just do a search for recommended v-necks. And now what I've got here are a range of v-neck t-shirts that can go well with those jeans and that jacket. So again, it's a clear example of how I, as a shopper, am able to fully personalize the kind of recommendations that I get and ask for those product recommendations that I actually want. So we're calling it hyper-personalization. We're really excited about how this will help shoppers buy faster and for retailers to sell more.